Hello, welcome to Holistic Healing Savory Meal. Today's video, we're featuring a homemade zesty Italian dressing that's very light, vibrant, and tasty. You can use this dressing as a marinade or a dipping sauce as well. I've also added the nutrition information about it, and you can pair it with English cucumbers. English cucumbers are good for the body. They contain antioxidants, and they're made of 90% water. They will help you hydrate as well. Please, if you have not subscribed to Holistic Healing Savory Meals, please do so. And make sure you hit the notification bell so you can get all of the new videos that I upload. I truly hope you enjoy these different recipes. Have a great day, and I will see you in the next video.